Hi, I'm Caroline. Today I'm going to walk you through some interactive games I designed using Adobe Captivate. These games were specifically designed for a course informing learners about the uses of chatbots. So let's take a look. So here is our first interactive game. This would be presented at the end of a lesson as a kind of review for learners to check their understanding so far. You can see a bright color palette, and I've used custom illustrations to appeal to a younger and maybe less technical audience. Right, so let's try this out. At the top we have the instruction which reads, which two advancements are increasing the popularity of chatbots? Click on the correct answers. So below we're presented with 3 answers, and if you hover over it you can see it changing, indicating that this is a clickable interactive button. So our options are artificial intelligence, neurolinguistic programming, or visual design trends. Now don't worry if you don't know the answers here. This is just an example, and obviously the learner would be given this information beforehand. But for the purpose of this video, let's go ahead and just select some answers. So I'm going to select the first one, and you can see as soon as I tap on it, I'm given immediate feedback that this is correct, and with a cute illustration there. Now, nothing happens here. We're not able to move on to the next slide because we have not finished the exercise. We have to select 2 answers. So let's go ahead and select the third one as an example. Oops, that's not correct. Please try again. Again, we still cannot navigate to the next slide because we have not completed the exercise. So the last thing to do is just to click the last option, and you can see the next button here has popped up, indicating the end of this exercise, and we can move on to the next one. In the next interactive game, this is a typical drag and drop interactivity. And in this case, the instruction reads, drag all the services that chatbots can do into the robot's mouth. So here you can see we have 9 examples of various services, and we have to choose the correct ones that chatbots are able to do. Again, this will be presented after some kind of lesson. The lesson can be given in the form of content, or like an article content or a video, anything like that. So we don't know how many answers are correct, and again this is just testing the user's knowledge. It is not scored, it is just a review exercise. So if I want to, for example, let's take a look at solving customer issues. As soon as I drag the cursor over it, you can see it changes, indicating that I can select it. So let's do that. If I select, hold, and then I can drag it. So if I drag it over the robot's mouth and release, it has been dropped. I can't take it back. So let's do that with a few more. Let's pretend that I've made a mistake and I want to redo that. I would hit the clear button, and that allows me to redo the exercise from the beginning. So I'm just going to select some random answers here which are incorrect and submit. Oops, you can see that's incorrect. Try again. Let's get it incorrect again. Let's say that chatbots can replace human intelligence, they can prescribe medicine, manage calendar. Let's just choose again some incorrect answers and submit that. Oops, that's still incorrect. So we're given 2 attempts in this exercise. On the last attempt, if it's still incorrect, you're given the option to review. So let's do that. All right, so here we can check the correct answers and the incorrect answers. So although there are many things chatbots can do, we will never be able to replace humans. So this is again just reinforcing the lesson that was learned before and emphasizing the fact that chatbots cannot replace all human activity. So once we've got it, that is the end. All right, so that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this short introduction, this short preview, and thanks for watching.